Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 on left click, right click. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos, whether it worked with tests or text. Well, you can just test it out for yourself, but yes, it does. So we can left click, no fill, right click outline, right click on red, and then you have a cut line around your text. But and the person that left it said when he writes text, that it's only a blue outline and no fill. So the way to correct that is with nothing selected. Let's get rid of this. With nothing selected, go to text, and you'll get the text docker, and you can see mine has uniform fill, and under line it has none. So we're going to set it like his. We're going to set it for a hairline, and it's going to ask you for artistic text. You say, okay. Then let's say we don't want any fill. We're going to put no fill, artistic text. And now when we write with the text, we only get an outline and no fill. Now, of course, that would bug me. So what you want to do, and again, I think it's with nothing selected, because if you do it with something selected, it's going to change that. Well, let's go uniform fill, artistic text, okay. I don't want an outline around it. I could put an outline around it. Go artistic text, say okay. And that's the way it's doing both. And then go up to tools and save as default. And I have all these checked, hit save. And now when we write out a text, it's going to have fill. And you could have the fill any color. I like black. I'm a laser engraver. But there's a lot you can do with this text docker. And I don't really understand. I can't really remember what this part is, but so it's really, this one is the fill and this one is your outline. You can see the March is an outline. And even if you click there, you'll come to here and you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing here and do the same thing with your fill and no fill or colors. But it's so easy just to change these. And then don't forget to set it to default or save as default. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman a little bit. Thank you for watching.